Hi friends, my name is Rohan Bharath Chandra. Today's video concerns about valuation of mid caps and small cap stocks. The mid cap and small cap indices have done very well in the last 1 year. Nifty mid cap 100 index has gone up by 58% and Nifty small cap 100 index has appreciated by 71% in the last 1 year. When the index itself has gone up significantly, many of the individual stocks have gone up by more than 100%. Some of the stocks have gone up due to good improvement in the fundamentals of the business. However, majority of the stocks have gone up due to the hype and positive sentiment towards mid and small cap stocks. As per an article in Economic Times newspaper, some mutual fund managers are concerned about the valuation of mid cap and small cap stocks. As per the study of ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund, mid caps and small cap indices have outperformed the large cap index in the last 3 years. I have put some interesting statistics in this video. The market cap percentage of large, mid and small cap stocks in various years. In calendar year 2018, out of the total market cap of all the stocks, large cap stocks had 72% market cap and mid cap stocks only 16.3%, small cap stocks 11.7%, mid and small caps combined 28%. 2019 it was 74.9, 15.6, 9.5 and the combined mid and small cap percentage was 25.1. 2020 also it was similar, 74.3, 15.5, 10.2 and 25.7 is a combined mid and small cap percentage. 2021 lot of changes, large caps became only 68.7, mid caps 16.8 and small caps 14.5. Mid and small caps combined 31.3%. 2022 69.2, 16.1, 14.7% and 30.8%. 2023 64.6, 17.6, 17.8% and then combined ratio 35.4%. 2024 it is large caps 63.7%, mid cap 18.5%, small caps 17.8% and mid and small caps combined 36.3%. As you can see, the share of mid and small cap stocks out of the total market cap of stocks is quite high at 36.3% compared to 25.1% in December 2019. This is because of the higher valuations of smaller stocks compared to larger stocks. Total returns of various indices in the last 1, 3 and 5 years. 1 year, Nifty 50 index 25%, Nifty mid cap index 56%, Nifty small cap index 69%. 3 years total returns, it is not per year, it is the total returns. Nifty 50 index 50%, Nifty mid cap index 108%, Nifty small cap index 90%. 5 years returns 101% Nifty 50, Nifty mid cap 219%, Nifty small cap index 198%. So if you are holding some mid cap and small cap stocks, ensure that they are fundamentally strong and are worth holding for minimum 5 years. Otherwise, if you have very weak stocks, better to dispose them so that you don't get stuck with them. If you have bought stocks just because of their momentum and thinking that they will keep rising, you could get stuck when the valuations fall in the coming months. So be very careful, don't be overconfident. Some mutual fund managers are calling the valuations of mid cap and small cap stocks as excessive and advising investors to be cautious. Usually, it is a cycle where for some years, large cap stocks outperform mid caps and then in other times, mid caps outperform large caps. This happens because during certain times, the valuations of large cap stocks are so high that scope for growth is limited or chances of correction are higher. At other times, the valuation of mid and small cap stocks are so high that the correction is more likely and the profit booking results in investment in large cap, leading to appreciation in large cap stocks. We need to wait and see when there will be a correction in the overall mid cap and small cap indices. If you like this video, please click the like button and mention in the comment section very interesting question. Many years back, Honda had tied up with which Indian company for gearless scooters? Option A, Atlas, B, Kinetic, C, SD and D, Bajaj. Type your answers in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Bye and all the best.